Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the 10 most important plugins you should have in your website. These plugins are based on security and speed. I'll give you 10 options and you can always use any of these options I'm giving you. They'll work perfectly well. I will not go in detailed explanation. I'll just show you some light configurations, and in the later days I might make videos on how to use them step by step. Note, this is for WordPress websites only. WordPress is a content management system and it runs around 43 to 45% of all the websites running on the entire internet, making it one of the most popular content management systems. So if you're running a WordPress website, then this video is for you. First, let's head over to our dashboard, the admin dashboard. Head over to plugin, click on add new plugin. In the search bar, we're going to search for the first plugin. Just search Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization. So this is one of the best plugins for your search engine optimization on page. You can rank your products, you can rank your pages, your posts. We're going to be doing videos on step by step how to rank your pages and posts and products. But this is one of the best plugins you should use for SEO. This is the first option. We have other options that works well, but I'm going to give you just 2 options in this video that you can use any of these 2 options. It has been tested and trusted, so you can go with any of them, and they are free. They have paid options, but I'm giving you free options that I know you can use and get good results. So the first option is Yoast SEO. You can install, activate, and go through the settings. Next, let's search our second SEO plugin. Just go to the search bar and type RankMath SEO. This is the second option. Actually, this is the best option for me when it comes to ranking pages and posts. I love using RankMath, but when it comes to product, I love using Yoast SEO. So both works well. It just depends on what you want. Then secondly, RankMath has some extra features that I really love. For example, if I am using Yoast SEO and maybe decide to switch to RankMath, it's possible for me to import everything I've done with Yoast into RankMath. And you can see they also have paid options where they will do most of the heavy work for you. But in this video, I'll just show you how to use the easy method. You can choose from easy or advanced. Here you can import your data from Yoast SEO. If you were using Yoast SEO initially, you import everything. Here you just have to fill in the information of your website, add your logo for optimization. So it has a little bit more features than other SEO plugins. That's why I love using this, especially for post SEO like blogs or company website and stuff like that. You just have to follow the step-by-step guide to configure your plugin, and these are extra features you have, like content AI analytics, and you have some pro features as well as sitemap. And this pro features comes if you purchase one of these plans. So everything is inbuilt. They'll do most of the heavy work for you. You can go and you can use the free options to do the SEO yourself, which I always prefer. That I like doing it myself to be sure I'm doing the right thing. So this is it. Yoast SEO, RankMath SEO. They are both good plugins for SEO, but like I said, I like using RankMath when it comes to a website that I have to focus on blogs and pages, and when it comes to e-commerce website when I have to focus on products, I'll go for Yoast. The next plugin we're going to look at is LiteSpeed. LiteSpeed, the purpose of LiteSpeed is to speed up your website through caching and optimization. It has some key features like page and image optimization, built-in content delivery network support, lazy load image, and SSL and JavaScript minification. This is why you need this plugin in your website. It's excellent and has free options that will help boost your website. The next plugin, which is number 4, we have WP Cache. It's also a speed plugin, and the purpose of this plugin is to create static HTML files for faster page loading. It has some key features as well, like simple setup and lightweight. It has CDN support as well, reduces server load during high traffic. And why do you need to use it? It's easy for beginners to boost their website. So if you're running a WordPress website, you don't need to pay developers to boost the website for you because it's slow. You just have to go to plugins, add new plugin, and you search WP Cache. You have the plugin and activate. What's most beautiful about this plugin is most of the settings on default are okay to run on your website. So you just have to search the plugin, activate, and it's fine. You can still go through the settings to do some optimization. The next plugin we are going to download is WordPress Security. WordPress Security, from the name, you understand it's a security plugin. The purpose of this plugin is to protect your site from hacks and malware. It also has some amazing key features like firewall and malware scanner. We have live traffic monitoring. We have login security with 2-factor authentication. You have to use this plugin on your website because it's all in one free security solutions. After activating your plugin, you'll be redirected to this page. Just click on get your WordPress license. Now from here, you can get a paid license or free license. We're going for a free license, so we're going to choose the option that says I'm okay waiting for 30 days for protection from new threats. Once you click on it, you have to add your email. You can click on yes, and then accept register. They will send your license to your email, so I'll just go ahead and copy mine from my email. Okay, now I'll put the same email here, and I'm going to paste my license key in the box below. You see it's labeled license key, right? So I'm going to paste my license key below. This free options has a lot of amazing features that can help your website better than most of the plugins. So I'm just going to paste my key after I copy, and yes, now install the license. You can see WordPress is installing, WordPress is working. Let's wait for some seconds. Now free license is installed. Go to dashboard. Here you can go through and read everything they're giving you. I will not go through it. So you see, it has everything. It has detected one issue already, and I'm sure it should be a plugin issue, or maybe a theme is out of date. You can see the plugin short forms needs an update, and they're giving you the version. This is how I'm using this website. The next plugin we're going to install is Sukuri Security. Security security is it's a very important plugin as well, because it notifies you. The best feature of it is it notifies you whenever anything is done in your website, like the back end of your website. The purpose of this plugin is it monitors and secures your website. It has some key features as well, like malware scanning, blacklist monitoring, post-hack security actions, like I earlier said, audit logs for suspicious activity. Why use these plugins? It adds another layer of security to your website, that's for sure. It adds another layer of security to your website. Even if you update a plugin, this plugin will automatically notify you through your email. If you log into another device, they will notify you with every information you need to know about that logs. That's one important thing about this security plugin, and it's free, so it's definitely a go for if I were using a WordPress website for my business. The next plugin we are going to talk about is Updraft Logs. Updraft is a backup and recovery plugin. The purpose of this plugin is to automatically back up your WordPress website. Features, we have features like schedule backup with Google Drive, Dropbox, and many others. We have quick restore of functionality. We have full database and file backup. So why do you need to use this plugin in your website? It protects against data loss or hacking. You know, WordPress is a very vulnerable website. If you're not using most of these security and speed plugins I'm giving you, you'll be very vulnerable, giving access to hackers to easily get hold of your website. So one thing you should do, very important, when you own a WordPress website, is to have this plugin, Updraft, for backup and recovery, so you can back up your files, your database. In case of anything, you will easily restore them. The next plugin we have on our list, which is number 8, is WP Optimize. It's a speed and database cleanup plugin. The purpose for this plugin is to clean and optimize your database for speed. And the key features we have is it removes unnecessary data like spam comments and revisions, image compression, automatic database optimization scheduling. And why do you have to use this plugin? It keeps your site lightweight and fast, which is one of the most important things for a website. Once your website is lightweight and fast, even though it has reasonable content on it, your SEO, everything about the website is going to run exactly as you want. But if you have a lot of cache and junk data running on your website, it makes the website slow, and at that, the search engine will not be able to optimize your website. So always use plugins like WP Optimize so that you will take advantage of these key features, especially automatic database optimization scheduling. That's very important. The next plugin on our list is Broken Link Checker. That's specifically for SEO. The purpose of this plugin is to find and fix broken links on your website. If you're a digital marketer, or maybe you're focused on search engine optimization, you will understand that when you do an on-page SEO and you focus on an off-page SEO, maybe 45 to 50, 60 days into your rankings, you're going to realize you start having broken links. If you're using third parties to check, you start having broken links. Google Analytics will show you broken links. This is because maybe the pages where these links are redirected to, they don't exist, or something. Like, there are so many causes that will lead to broken links. You need this plugin in your website so that it automatically detects and monitors your pages, and it's going to bring out these broken links. And using the same plugin, you will be able to replace these broken links with links to pages or products that are working. So this is a very important plugin for you to have, especially for those who want to have SEO, search engine optimization on their website, those who want to optimize their websites on Google search rankings. The last but not the least of the plugins we're going to talk about today in this video is Really Simple SSL. This is another security plugin. The purpose of this plugin is it automatically configures your site for HTTPS. That's if your site is using HTTP without the S, which stands for security. By the way, HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. With the S at the end, it shows that it has a security, and that S has a lot of difference. It has a lot of difference from HTTP. So this security plugin is very important because it transforms your website into an HTTPS website, auto detects SSL certificates, redirects all traffic to HTTPS, fixes insecure and content error. So why do you need to use this plugin in your website? Simple way to secure your site and boost SEO rankings. Bonus tips: if you want to start your agency today, or your e-commerce store, or whatever blog you want to start with WordPress, what I would recommend for you is, for SEO, you can either go with Yoast or RankMath, plus Broken Link Checker. Very important. These are the 3 most important plugins. I'll say 2, since you have to make a choice on Yoast and Rank. And security, we have WordFence and Really Simple SSL. These 2 is perfect. For speed, we have LiteSpeed Cache and we have WP Optimize. If you have these 6 plugins installed, you're ready to go. Your website will function perfectly, even better than some coded websites. If you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I'll be dropping a video on how to use the Yoast SEO and RankMath step by step to optimize your WordPress website, both blogs and products.